Welcome back mga kajabagab. Today, I apologize for the audio because my wife is busy right now. But today's recipe will be making a roasted chicken using an air fryer. So stay tuned and watch till the end. And these are the list of our ingredients. First, we have lemongrass wrapped with spring onions and put inside the chicken, together with purple onions, and garlic. We have here a crushed garlic with crushed peppercorn that will be placed just underneath the skin of the chicken breast to add flavor of the chicken. Then transfer the chicken into a bowl. And we'll start to put 2 chillies, 2 cloves, star anise, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Then 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 3 tablespoons of Mountain Dew. But you can use any other soda if you like. Let's spread the marinade all over the chicken. Then wrap with cling film. Then leave it into a fridge overnight. And wow! Look at the color of the chicken. I actually added the cloves and the star anise so that it will give sweet and spicy peppery flavor of the chicken. Now the chicken's ready. Let's spray some oil on your steak rack so that the chicken will not stick when it's done. Then brush and pour the remaining marinade, but don't include the anise and the cloves. Then put the chicken into an air fryer, setting to 125 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. And there you go. So now, let's start chopping the chicken. Look at that! Well done roasted chicken with the juice and the aroma. So perfect. Homemade roasted chicken using an air fryer. Thanks for watching mga kajabagab. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified for our next video. Bye!